If you hear annoying clunking noise from your car suspension while you're driving, it might be this. This is the stabilizer links, and I will show you in this video how to identify a problem and how to replace this pretty cheap part. Let's get to it. The first easiest way to check your stabilizer link is this. Just stay on the side of your car and try to move it, just like that. From the top of your car, left to the right. And if you hear this clunking noise, this is the symptom that your stabilizer link is faulty. Okay guys, the second way to check your stabilizer link, you drive the car around 5 to 10 miles per hour and try to do this way. Turn your steering wheel left and right, and you hear this clunking noise like this. You can hear it now. So this is the second way how to check that your stabilizer link is already bad and needs to be replaced. Guys, this is the reason why your car was making that annoying clunking noise. See, it's really bad. Actually, the upper side was fine. The lower side was completely destroyed. Guys, I'm trying to save you as much money as possible. This job costs in a mechanic shop up to $400 for replace this stabilizer link. But we're gonna do this job in about an hour, and I bought this parts for only 35 bucks from Amazon. So there's a couple different ways how to get this old stabilizer link out. So the first way, you put your WD-40 and try. Okay, you have WD-40 on and try to use your impact. Guys, in my case, this came off really easily to using my impact. And here, the upper is ready. So sometimes they get rusty and you will need to use your sawzall or grinder. So these tools, you need to take this out. Okay, it's off now. Okay, it's time to put new one in. First, we're gonna put the upper one, and then the lower one. We need to push a little bit, just like this. Oh yeah, it's in, and now brand new bolts goes in. It's actually good. I like new parts. Okay guys, it took us around 10 to 15 minutes to replace this stabilizer link. It's fairly easy job, and you don't need a lot of tools to do it. So you can do this job in your garage and it will save you a couple $100. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.